My name is Shivani. Welcome back to your channel. So in this video we are going to find which number is the largest by using the formulas of exponents and powers. So इसमें हम देख सकते हैं कि one number is 2 raised to the power 50, 3 raised to the power 40, 4 raised to the power 30 and 5 raised to the power 20. So इन numbers को compare करने के लिए we can do one thing or the other. फर्स्ट थिंग इज कि या तो आप बेस सेम कर लो, लेकिन बेस में हम देख सकते हैं 2, 3, 4, 5 दे आर कंप्लीटली डिफरेंट. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू द पावर्स हम देख सकते हैं कि जो पावर्स है 10 की मल्टीपल की फॉर्म में है. 10, 50, 40, 30 एंड 20. तो हम पावर्स को 10 में चेंज कर सकते हैं. लेट्स सी हाउ. 50 को हम 2 to the power 5 10 लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज पावर्स का रूल होता है कि व्हेन यू ओपन द ब्रैकेट द पावर्स गेट मल्टीप्लाइड. 5 10s are 50. 3 को वी कैन राइट 4 to the power 10 and इसको we can write 3 to the power 10. 3 10s are 30, 4 10s are 40 and here we can write 5 raised to the power 10. Now when we solve 2 raised to the power is 5 is 32. So that is 32 raised to the power 10. Second question 3 to the power 4 which is 81. Third 4 to the power 3 that is 64. And the last one is 25 raised to the power 10. Now we can see in these numbers the power is same. So which number would be the greater? We can see that 81, this number would be the greatest. 3 raised to the power 40 is the greatest number here. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.